I'm in a 2011 Toyota Highlander, and today I'm going to show you to open the hood. So from the driver's side here, we'll go down, and you should see this release lever that will pull, and you should see the cable here as well. If there's no cable attached, that might be something you need to address. But this hood should be slightly loose now. So there's a lever here, so we're going to pinch and lift, pinch and lift. And you should see an arm here as well. So this arm will help hold the hood up. And this is what that little latch looks like I was pinching. So double check there's no debris in here that needs cleaned up, nothing bent or broken. And then up here is where it's hooked onto. And also double check that your hood's in proper alignment, as if it's not, that could cause you issues as well. For if this isn't closing straight, this might not want to open. But I hope this is helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.